students, I'm back with the new lesson, that is degrees of adjective. So again, tell me, how are you all? You are all are fine or not? Okay. And me also is fine. I'm looking you great now, standing in front of you. I'm fine. So today we are going to start with the degrees of adjective. Firstly, we are going through a lesson. Okay, I gave you one task for that. I forget that you have to speak on a topic colors. I gave you now. Firstly, do the speaking on that topic. Clear? Firstly, remind me what the points I gave you over there, that how you speak on that. कौन से points मैंने दिए थे और उस पे कैसे बोल सकते हैं हम? Tell me, hurry up. I give you lots of points for this. What are those points? Tell me. Those are lots of points I gave you, students. At that time I gave you that you have to speak different things on that, like with very good creative ideas as well. आपको creative ideas के साथ speaking करनी है. The topic of your is color, है ना? तो colors पे मैंने आपको क्या बताया था कि I told you at that time, okay, you can speak on colors with a very good and creative ideas as well. So I gave you different things in that. I give you the points regarding like natural colors are there, 7 natural colors are there. Colors are come from the nature. It's a natural beauty. For example, different colors of flower you can see it out from the nature. So that is the nature. So all colors come from the nature. The very good example of the nature is that the rainbow, isn't it? From the rainbow, in rainbow there are 7 colors that we can be denoted out from the VIBGYOR, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, red, yellow, orange and red. Okay, so these all are the 7 colors that comes from the rainbow. That is a natural color, isn't it? Now, how to speak on that topic? Tell me, hurry up. How you people are going to speak on that topic? Means you are going to speak on that topic with very good creative ideas, like my favorite color is this, my favorite color is that, isn't it? You are speaking like this, है ना? Okay, I'm going to start the topic. For example, कुछ भी topic आपको मिलता है, आपको firstly 2-3 lines में उस topic की introduction देनी होती है. Clear? Any topic I gave you for the speaking. So make that thing clear in your mind कि अगर आपको कुछ भी topic मिलता है, उस topic पे आप क्या करेंगे, उस topic पे आप अपने दिमाग में ये चीज को clear रखेंगे. Clear? कि सबसे पहले हमें उस चीज की introduction देनी है, कि जिसके ऊपर भी topic है उस चीज को introduce करना हमें. Clear? जैसे colors दिया मैंने, आप 2-3 lines में मुझे colors की introduction देंगे. That is what? That is that introduction which I gave you. Okay, colors are a very important part of our life. Colors come from the nature. Without colors, the nature is looking dull and boring, and also it's applicable to our life as well. If we are not having a colorful life, if we are not having the colors in our life, at that time our life is dull and boring, isn't it? हमारी लाइफ डल और बोरिंग हो जाएगी. तो उसके बाद you can start your topic by giving 2-3 words in your speaking, in your introduction session regarding that topic. Okay, and after then you can start speak on your topic. What sort of ideas do you have? You should speak on that. Clear? But make sure that thing in your mind, whether the topic is having a very big of a sentence sort of topic or single word topic is there. How you start your speaking? You should start your speaking by giving the introduction regarding that topic, that what exactly that topic is. वो exactly है क्या? Clear? Because in front of you lots of students are sitting, lots of audiences are sitting. Clear? Audience हमारे सामने बैठी होती है, तो उन्हें क्या पता कई बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जिनको नहीं पता होता इन चीजों के बारे में, बट द थिंग इज दैट आपको उस चीज के बारे में इलेबोरेट करके उन्हें बताना है. क्लियर? सो दैट दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस स्पीकिंग टॉपिक. क्लियर? तो एग्जैक्टली स्पीकिंग टॉपिक का क्या मीनिंग है आपको ये बताना है उनको इसमें. क्लियर? अब हम करेंगे स्पीकिंग वन बाय वन, उसके बाद विल कम टू द degree of adjective. That is also very important for your speaking as well as your writing portion. Clear? Now who speaks first? You stand up, hurry up and speak on a topic of colors. Hurry up, do fast, speak up. प्लीज स्टूडेंट्स डोंट डू दिस थिंग कि मैम प्रिपेयर नहीं किया है, आई एम फीलिंग हेजिटेशन, मेरे से नहीं बोला जाएगा, कल बोल दूंगा, आज बोल दूंगा. दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग यू पीपल आर यूजुअली डूइंग. तुम लोग यूजुअली ये चीज करते हो. ठीक है? अगर मैंने कल भी टॉपिक दे दिया ना, तो आप आज अगर मैं उसको स्पीकिंग करवाऊंगी तो यूजुअली यू पीपल आर सेइंग दैट मैम कल, आज नहीं कल. वो कल पता नहीं कब आएगा, आपका कोर्स कंप्लीट हो जाएगा इन दैट. क्लियर? सो डोंट डू दिस थिंग. आई एम गोना बी वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट एट दैट टाइम if you are giving me these lame excuses. ठीक है? बेफालतू के excuses मुझे दोगे तो I'm not going to be tolerate to you. Clear? Now you tell me what exactly colors topic is. Do the speaking on that topic. Colors plays a very vital role in our life. Without colors, our life is dull and boring. There are 7 natural colors in our rainbow. So the nature is having a beauty with the colors. Without colors, the nature don't have any sort of beauty. Clear? So 7 natural colors are there. So that comes from the rainbow. Out of that, every color symbolizes something. Clear? So out of these 7 colors, my favorite colors is this. For example, your favorite color is black. Clear? You have to speak on the topic black. For example, black is a symbolize of what? Black is a symbol of evil. मतलब black किसका प्रतीक है? बुराई का प्रतीक है black color. Clear? बुराई का प्रतीक है. Black is a symbol of evil. And also it is a damn party color as well. Clear? ये एक party color भी है. So, और क्या बोल सकते हैं हम इसमें? Whenever I wear this color clothes, everyone compliments me. It suits on me. I look beautiful in that. Clear? So there are lots of things are happening around us. Just you have to collect them and summarize them in a one topic and explain in front of the people. Clear? So जल्दी से रिवाइज कर लीजिए अपना टॉपिक. बी फास्ट. उसके बाद हम स्पीकिंग करेंगे. Are you ready for the speaking or not? Okay. Now come to the next one, that is degree of adjectives. Now tell me, what are adjectives? Adjectives क्या होते हैं? Lots of adjectives are there. We did 5 types of adjectives, and we are dividing all that adjectives into the different categories. Clear? So adjectives are what? Adjectives are that which gives or which modify or which qualify noun or pronoun. Clear? That is your adjective. जो qualify करते हैं किसको? Noun और pronoun को. Clear? That is called adjective. यहाँ हमें पता है adjective सिर्फ वो होते हैं जो सिर्फ noun और pronoun की विशेषता को बताते हैं. But adverb वो होते हैं जो आपको verb की, adjective की, preposition की और conjunction की और verb itself की ही विशेषता को बताते हैं. That is called adverb. Clear? For example, we are having 3 degrees in that. First one is positive degree, comparative degree, and third one is your superlative degree. Clear? Write it down. First is your positive degree. Next one is comparative degree. And next is your superlative degree. So these are the 3 degrees we are going to study under the degrees of adjective. Clear? The positive degree is that a very simple degree, जो हम simple sentence में हमने बात की थी, that comes in the positive degree sentence. For example, a positive degree denotes the simple quality of a thing or person. Positive degree denotes simple quality or thing of a person. पॉजिटिव डिग्री क्या है? सिंपली क्वालिटी और थिंग ऑफ अ पर्सन को डिनोट करती है, दैट इज कम इन द पॉजिटिव डिग्री. और कंपेरेटिव डिग्री क्या होती है? जो कंपैरिजन क्रिएट करती है दो चीजों के, दो चीजों मीन्स दो नाउन और प्रोनाउन के बीच में, दैट इज कॉल्ड कंपेरेटिव डिग्री. और सुपरलेटिव डिग्री क्या होती है? इट इज द बेस्ट वन, मीन्स इट इज द अपर मोस्ट डिग्री ऑफ दैट थिंग इन विच कंपेरिजन इज नॉट दैट. जो चीज बहुत बढ़िया, दैट इज कॉल्ड सुपरलेटिव. Now in your positive degree, it denotes simple quality or a thing of a person. For example, one example is there for that. It is, he is a good player. वो एक अच्छा खिलाड़ी है. So it is come in the positive degree. Usually we did what? In this adjective portion, हमने यही किया था, सारी positive degrees ही we did that. Clear? We did all the positive degrees in that. Next one is your, you can take any example. This is a beautiful house. ये एक बहुत ही सुंदर घर है. So this is a beautiful house. So beautiful house is what? Here, beautiful house is that, beautiful is what? Beautiful is adjective and it's an adjective of positive degree. Clear, students? Is it clear to all of you? Here, good, beautiful is an adjectives of positive degree. ये दोनों positive degree के adjectives हैं. You can also be write it down, good or beautiful. Is it clear, students? Now come to the next one. Write it down in your copies. This first one, that is positive degree. Then we are going to start with the comparative degree. Write it down in your copies. Done, students? Now come to the next one, that is comparative degree. Next one is comparative degree. Comparative degree, I told you earlier regarding that it is used for the comparison of two things or person, that is come in the comparative degree. So write down its example, definition. In comparative degree, two persons or things compared. In comparative degree, two persons or things are compared in respect of quality. क्वालिटी के अकॉर्डिंग ये कंपेयर किए जाएंगे, चाहे वो पर्सन्स हो और चाहे वो कोई भी वस्तु हो या फिर थिंग्स हो. क्लियर? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सुधीर राजू से लंबा है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू से दैट सुधीर is taller than Raju. So taller is what? Taller is a comparative adjective we use between Sudhir and Raju. So this is the first person, this is the second person. So first और second person के बीच में जो हम comparison कर रहे हैं, that comes in the comparative adjective. Is it clear to all of you or not, students? Okay. Okay, I'll give you next example. मेरी बुक उसकी पुस्तक से अच्छी है. मेरी पुस्तक उसकी पुस्तक से अच्छी है. My book is better than, उस पुस्तक से अच्छी है. Better than that. That means उस पुस्तक, my means मेरी पुस्तक, तो better is used here as an adjective, as an comparative degree of an adjective. Clear? It's used as an comparative degree here of an adjective. So you write it down in your copies, this thing. Write it down, students. Hurry up, be fast. Next is that we form adjectives in this way. How we are forming the comparative adjectives, I'm going to explain you. We form comparative adjective in this way. First rule of this is that, write it down, with the short adjectives with one syllable. अगर कोई भी short adjective होगा और one syllable के साथ होगा, उसके साथ हम with that we are adding er. हम er उनके साथ add करेंगे. Add er with them. For example, the word is high. So here is one syllable is there. So I'm saying higher. So higher is what? Higher is then comparative adjective. Clear? Again, the next word of this is small. So I want to be put it out here. Again, one syllable is there. So I want to be put er after it. So the comparative degree of the adjective of an adjective of small is smaller. Is it clear, students? ये clear हो रहे हैं? Please make sure about this thing. फर्स्ट रूल हमने किया है शॉर्ट एडजेक्टिव जो वन सिलेबल के साथ होंगे उसके साथ हम उसके एंड में वी आर पुटिंग ER विद देम, ठीक है। और जो कंपेरेटिव डिग्री होएगी हमेशा वो ER के साथ ही आएगी आपकी, क्लियर। फॉर एग्जाम्पल नेक्स्ट वन इज short adjectives ending with one vowel and one consonant except W. W के अलावा अगर कोई भी स्मॉल एडजेक्टिव आता है, अगर वो वर्ड खत्म होता है या तो वॉल साउंड के साथ, वॉल के साथ या फिर कोई भी कॉन्सोनेंट के साथ, ठीक है, उस टाइम पे आप लोग वन थिंग इज मेक श्योर इन दैट कि वो कभी भी NW से ना हो, ठीक है। एक्सेप्ट W हमने बात की है, एक्सेप्ट W कोई भी शॉर्ट एडजेक्टिव होगा एंड हो रहा होगा एक वॉल के साथ या फिर किसी भी एक कॉन्सोनेंट के साथ, एक्सेप्ट W. At that time, you have to add ER. Double the consonant and add ER with them. Add ER and double consonant. The word is here, that is big. Next one is hot. And next word is low. So now tell me, according to the rules of the comparative adjective, what should be there? क्या होना चाहिए big का? Means double the consonant and add ER with them. You can also write it down according to this. Means पहले double करोगे आप consonant को and add ER with them. Clear? So what you are going to do at that time? With the bigger, firstly, I want to double the consonant, that double G, then I put ER at the end of that letter. Clear? So that is big means bigger. Hot, again consonant sound is there. One vowel. So you can put double consonant and also write ER at the end of the letter. Clear? Now come to the next one. I wrote here in the example that except W, we can accept anything in the vowel and consonant sound, but except W. So W is there. You won't be double the consonant here. हम यहाँ पे इस consonant को double नहीं करेंगे, but we put ER at the end of that. So the comparative adjective is lower. That is, first one is big, bigger, hot, hotter, low, lower. Clear? So this is the second rule of your adjective. So write it down in your copies. This, hurry up, be fast. Write it down, students. After then we are going to do the next one. Now come to the next rule. The next rule is that short adjective ending with letter E. So at that time you have to put what? You have to add only R with those letters. Clear? For example, nice and late. Clear? So what should be there for the nice? What is the comparative adjective here? Comparative degree का adjective कौन सा होगा बताइए? Nice का according to the rule, whichever letter ends with E, E के साथ letter खत्म, word खत्म होगा E letter के साथ. At that time you have to add R at the end of that letter. So nice would be the nicer and late would be the later. Clear, students? Now next one is that again short adjective ending with short adjective ending with Y. अगर कोई भी शॉर्ट एडजेक्टिव Y के साथ एंड होता है, मतलब खत्म होता है लेटर के साथ, तो आप चेंज क्या करेंगे? Y की जगह पे यू कैन चेंज टू IER. Clear, students? So the words are dirty and easy. These are two words for that. To make it a comparative adjective, at that time ending with जो भी Y से end हो रहे हैं उसको हम change कर देंगे. We won't be put Y. Y के बाद हम IER नहीं लगाएंगे, हम Y को change करके IER लगाएंगे. For example, dirty would be dirtier and easy would be easier. Clear? Now note it down, these rules also. Hurry up. Clear, students? Now come to the next rule for that. That is long adjective with two or more syllable. पहले हमने short किया था with one syllable. अब हम करेंगे long adjective with two or more syllable. That is long adjective with two or more syllable. So what you are going to do at that time, you are going to add more with them, plus adjective should be there. More plus adjective is there. For example, some words are intelligent, interesting, and useful. So these are some words which are having a two or more syllable. So what we are going to do, we are going to add more in front of these adjectives. अगर हमें ज़्यादा बताना है, comparison में बताना है, so we can use more with these adjectives. For example, I'm going to say more intelligent, Next is more interesting. And next one, if I'm going to be say at that time, more useful. Okay, students, so these are some rules for your comparative adjective, that how you can use the comparative adjectives. So write it down these. Intelligent को हम हमेशा more intelligent कहेंगे comparison में, interesting को more interesting, useful को more useful. For example, maths, this maths book is more useful than that math books. ठीक है कि मतलब ये वाली मैथ्स की बुक ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है उन वाली मैथ्स की बुक्स के अलावा. क्लियर? जैसे राम ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट है शाम से, राम इज मोर इंटेलिजेंट देन श्याम. हम यहाँ पे इंटेलिजेंट नहीं लगाएंगे. ठीक है? वी आर पुटिंग आउट एट दैट टाइम मोर विद इंटेलिजेंट, बिकॉज द इंटेलिजेंट वर्ड इज यूजिंग 2 or more syllable in that. Clear? Write it down this thing in your copies. Hurry up. Do fast. Done, students? Next is that we often use this pattern in comparison. हम कंपैरिजन में ज्यादातर यही वाला पैटर्न फॉलो करते हैं. वो पैटर्न क्या है? दैट पैटर्न इज दैट फर्स्टली हम कंपैरेटिव एडजेक्टिव लगाते हैं, उसके बाद हम देन लगाते हैं. कंपैरेटिव एडजेक्टिव प्लस देन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैंने बोला राजू इज more intelligent than Tom. So here I use this comparative adjective plus then. So we oftenly use this thing. मतलब often means अक्सर हम ये यूज करते रहते हैं अपने sentences में then. ज्यादातर ये then के साथ ही sentence आता है, but somehow sentences are there where we won't be put this than. ठीक है? कुछ ऐसे सेंटेंसेस आते हैं जिसमें हम देन को पुट नहीं करते हैं. इज इट क्लियर नाउ? राइट इट डाउन दिस इन योर कॉपीज फर्स्टली, आफ्टर देन आई रब इट. नाउ फॉर द ग्रामर वन, अब ग्रामर में क्या बनाना है हमें? वी यूज कंपैरेटिव एडजेक्टिव देयर वेयर वी कैन यूज, वी यूज द कंपैरिजन ऑफ पीपल और थिंग। ठीक है, अब हम कंपैरेटिव एडजेक्टिव वही यूज करते हैं जहां पे हमने कंपैरिजन करना होता है किसी भी पर्सन का और किसी भी चीज का। क्लियर, वहीं पे हम लोग क्या करते हैं, कंपैरिजन एज एडजेक्टिव यूज करते हैं। फर्स्ट मैं बताऊंगी टू गिव फैक्ट्स एंड ओपिनियन। अपने फैक्ट्स और ओपिनियन बताने के लिए हम कैसे करते हैं, गिव फैक्ट्स एंड ओपिनियन। ठीक है, हम अपने फैक्ट्स और ओपिनियन बताने के लिए कंपैरेटिव एडजेक्टिव कहां पे यूज करते हैं। अब सिंपल, मैंने पहला एग्जांपल जो लिया था वैसे मैं बोल लेती हूं, नेथन इज टॉलर देन कैरल। नेथन जो है कैरल से लंबा है। क्लियर, सो मैं फैक्ट बता रही हूं इसमें। क्लियर, तो नेथन इज टॉलर देन कैरल। अब मैंने बोला आई लाइक दैट पेंटिंग, मुझे वो पेंटिंग अच्छी लगी, पर ये वाली से, पर मैं सोच रही हूं ये वाली भी अच्छी है। आई लाइक दैट पेंटिंग बट आई थिंक दिस वन इज बेटर। अब देखिए इसमें ओपिनियन बताया जा रहा है अपना। ठीक है, अब इस सेंटेंस में क्या बताया जा रहा है, इस सेंटेंस में मैं अपना ओपिनियन बता रही हूं। ठीक है, इस ओपिनियन में क्या है कि मैंने बोला कि आई लाइक दैट पेंटिंग, मेरे को वो पेंटिंग पसंद है। क्लियर, फिर मैंने बोला बट आई थिंक दिस वन इज बेटर, बट मैं ये भी सोच रही हूं कि ये वाली ज्यादा अच्छी है। ये यूज कर रही हूं ना। देखो, फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में मैंने फैक्ट बताया, सेकेंड सेंटेंस में मैं अपना ओपिनियन बता रही हूं उस चीज के बारे में। सो हियर यू कैन यूज इट आउट द टू comparative adjective with the different facts and opinion. Clear? So write it down in your copy with facts and opinion, these two sentences. Write it down. Write it down, students. Hurry up, be fast. Next one is when we are comparing people, when we are comparing people, we often use object pronoun with them. ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन में क्या आएगा, हिज, मी, माई, हिम, माइन, हम ये यूज करेंगे। ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी मैं बताती हूं कैसे। मैंने बोला कैरल वॉज हैप्पियर देन मी अबाउट द न्यूज, सो आई सेड कैरल वॉज हैप्पियर देन मी अबाउट द न्यूज। कैरल मेरे से ज्यादा खुश थी उस न्यूज को लेकर। सो मीन्स कैरल हैप्पियर इज द एडजेक्टिव, देन लगा, फिर उसके बाद मैंने क्या पुट किया, ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन हियर। ठीक है, बिकॉज ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन से हमें क्या पता चल रहा है कि हम ऑफन यूज करते हैं इसके साथ जब हमें दो चीजों के बीच में कंपैरिजन करना होता है। क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स, राइट इट डाउन दिस ऑल्सो। Next one is when we are comparing the things with other people, at that time we often use possessive pronoun. For examples, Dave's car is better than mine. Dave की गाड़ी मेरी गाड़ी से अच्छी है. So at that time मैंने क्या यूज किया यहाँ पे? Possessive pronoun. Clear? To make comparison with the things. So write it down this rules in your copies, and after then I'll give you the exercise. Be fast, hurry up. जल्दी से अभी एक्सरसाइज दूंगी आप लोगों को. नोट डाउन कीजिए. 5 minutes दे रही हूँ. Revise your whole the topic regarding first one, that is comparison adjective only. I'll give you exercise only on the comparison adjective, not on the positive degree adjective. Clear? Because it's quite simple one. बहुत simple है वो. You people are getting confused with this comparison adjective. So now I'm giving you the exercise to do that one. Clear? Write it down this in your copies, and after then I'll give you the exercise. Do hurry up. इसके बाद मैं आपको कुछ बता देती हूँ कि कौन कौन से हम adjectives comparison में use कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? I'll give you the options for that. Don't worry. Hurry up. Write it down firstly. Done, students? It's done or not? Okay, now start with some words of the comparative adjective. मैं आपको words बताऊंगी, आप मुझे बताओगे इसके comparative adjective क्या होंगे according to the rule. Clear? तब तक आप लोग rule revise कीजिए. Revise your all the rules regarding the comparative adjective. Till now I'm writing down on the board regarding that. Clear? Revise your rules, students. Hurry up. So these are some words. Now make comparative adjectives of these. Hurry up. The first one is black. तो क्या आएगा इसमें? According to the rule, it's blacker. ER क्यों लगा? आप लोग बताएंगे मुझे. R अकेला क्यों नहीं लगा? ER क्यों लगा इसमें? Tell me, hurry up. बिकॉज जिस शॉर्ट एडजेक्टिव में वन सिलेबल होता है देयर वी कैन पुट ER. ऐसे ही बोल्ड में क्या हो जाएगा? बोल्डर, cleverer, colder, deeper, harder. Clear? So these are the two syllables which are used with ER. Next is that which end with E. अब कुछ आएंगे जो end हो रहे हैं E के साथ, उसका रूल क्या था? क्या लगेगा इनके साथ? Only you can put R with them. For example, able is abler, brave, braver, wise, wiser, noble, nobler. Clear? So these are some words regarding your short adjective which ends with letter E. Clear? Next one is last letter consonant है तो final वाला double हो जाएगा. यही था. If last letter is your consonant or any one vowel is there, so you can double it and after put ER. है ना? डबल करने के बाद हम ER लगाएंगे. लगाइए जल्दी, हरी आप. बताइए जल्दी मुझे क्या आएगा? क्या होएगा? डबल कॉन्सोनेंट SADDER, sadder. Red, RE double DER, redder. Hot, hot, HOEER, hotter. Big, BIGGER, bigger. Fat, FATTER, fatter. Clear? और लास्ट हमने किया था कि if your short adjective is end with Y, you have to change the Y with, don't put. You have to change that. Change करना पड़ेगा. Clear? Change कैसे करेंगे? बिजी का क्या हो जाएगा? IR पुट करेंगे Y की जगह पे busier, ड्राई की जगह पे drier, and happy, happier. So write it down. These, hurry up in your copies. These all are the degree of adjective, comparative degree of adjective. Clear? Write it down, hurry up. Do fast. Write it out in your copies and please learn these one. Okay, done students? Write it down, hurry up. I'm giving you one exercise regarding that one. You have to complete with using comparative adjectives in that. Clear? आपको एक comparative adjectives लगा के exercise को fill up करना है. Here what you can use, Clive is talking about his possessions. Clive कोई person है, is talking about his possessions. Possessions क्या होती है? कीमती वस्तुएं. ठीक है, उनके बारे में बात कर रहा है. कंप्लीट करना है आपको. कंप्लीट दिस सेंटेंस using comparative adjective. Your first sentence is that my bike's quite slow and I want to get a dash 1. My bike quite slow and I want to get dash 1. The word you have to put is fast in the sentence. Okay, students? Next is I want to get a dash camera, then the one I have got. The word you can fill in this is expansive. Next is my games console is okay. My games console is okay, but I want a dash 1. But I want a dash 1. You can use here good one. Good को हम क्या use करेंगे? You can use this one. Next is I have got an old computer. I want one that's dash. The word is modern. Next one is I would really like to have a dash guitar. The word is nice. Next is my phone is not very good. My phone is not very good and I want a dash 1. The word is advance. Next is my music system is getting dash and I need a new one. Getting bad. Next one is I want a car that's dash then the one I have got. The word here is powerful. Okay, students. Now this is the exercise. I am giving you 5 minutes to fill this exercise. Hurry up. Do fast. Fill this exercise. I am giving you 5 minutes. Done, students, or not? Tell me, hurry up. It's very easy one. You already did it. I already gave you the lecture regarding that. Hurry up. Do fast. Done or not? Okay, take 2 minutes more. Hurry up. Take more 2 minutes to do this exercise. See, the first one is that my bike's quite slow. I want to get a dash one. मतलब मेरी बाइक बहुत स्लो चल रही है, मेरे को एक फास्ट बाइक खरीदनी है, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वन, आई वांट टू गेट अ डैश कैमरा देन द वन आई हैव गॉट. कहता मेरे को एक एक्सपेंसिव, मतलब एक बहुत महंगा कैमरा खरीदना है, जो कि जिससे कि जो कि मेरे पास पहले है उससे महंगा कैमरा मुझे खरीदना है. नेक्स्ट वो बोल रहे कि माई गेम कंसोल इज ओके बट आई वांट अ डैश वन. मतलब कहता मेरा जो गेम के प्रति कंसोलेशन था मेरा, वो ओके है, पर मुझे उससे भी एक अच्छा चाहिए. क्लियर? आई हैव गॉट एन ओल्ड कंप्यूटर. मेरे पास एक ओल्ड कंप्यूटर था. आई वांट वंस दैट. अब मैं वैसा चाहता हूं जो कि मॉडर्न हो. आई वुड रियली लाइक टू हैव मैं ये चाहता हूं कि मेरे पास एक बहुत अच्छा गिटार हो. नेक्स्ट वन इज माई फोन इज नॉट वेरी गुड एंड आई वॉन्ट अ डैश वन. मतलब मेरा फोन इतना अच्छा नहीं है और मैं एक एडवांस फोन लेना चाहता हूं. माई म्यूजिक सिस्टम इज गेटिंग, मेरा म्यूजिक सिस्टम बहुत ही खराब हो रहा है, मुझे नया चाहिए. एंड आई वॉन्ट अ कार दैट डैश देन वन आई हैव गॉट. मैं एक ऐसी कार खरीदना चाहता हूं जो कि ज्यादा पावरफुल हो, जो मेरे पास पहले से है. क्लियर? सो यहाँ पे किस चीजों की बात हो रही है? क्लाइव किन चीजों की बात कर रहा है? क्लाइव इज अ पर्सन हु इज टॉकिंग अबाउट हिज पोजेशंस, जो अपनी पोजेशंस की बात कर रहा है. क्लियर? सो यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज दीज इन योर डेली रूटीन. या हमारी डेली रूटीन में भी तो यूज हो सकते हैं ना. यार मैं इस फोन से बोर हो गया, मैं अब इससे अच्छा फोन चाहता हूं. क्लियर? मैं यार इस कार से बोर हो गया, अब मैं एक अच्छी कार चाहता हूं. तो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू एट दैट टाइम? क्या करेंगे आप? देखिए, फर्स्ट वन इज दैट माई बाइक क्वाइट स्लो, आई वांट टू गेट faster one. What is the comparative adjective here? It is faster. Next one is I want to get a more expensive camera. My games console is okay but I want a better one. Good का better होता है. Modern, more modern. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट वन इज नाइस. ये तो पता ही है. नाइसर, एडवांस, मोर एडवांस. स्टूडेंट्स फर्स्टली लुक हियर. पहले इधर देखिए, आफ्टर देन राइट इट डाउन इन योर कॉपीज. बैड का क्या होगा? वर्स. एंड पावरफुल का मोर पावरफुल. ओके, राइट इट डाउन. हरी अप. Write it down in your copies this. डन स्टूडेंट्स? अब ये क्लियर हुआ? थोड़ी और एक्सरसाइज दूंगी, इट्स ओके विद यू? ठीक है, आपके लिए एक ही और एक्सरसाइज चाहिए? टेल मी फास्ट, हरी अप. चलिए मैं आपको और एक्सरसाइज देती हूँ रिगार्डिंग द कंपैरिजन ऑफ समवन. किसी के साथ कंपैरिजन करने के लिए, या अपने साथ ही किसी का कंपैरिजन करने के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं टॉम और मुझे टॉम और अपने बीच में कंपैरिजन करना है. क्लियर? द फर्स्ट इज दैट ही इज नॉट वेरी टॉल. ही इज नॉट वेरी टॉल. नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट ही इज good at maths. I'm not. He is good at maths. I'm not. Next one is that I'm quite thin. He is not. I'm quite thin. He is नॉट. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? तो इसमें हम लोग क्या फिलअप करते जाएंगे, मतलब वो बहुत ही थिन है, मैं नहीं हूं. क्लियर? तो यू कैन बी चेंज दिस. नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट हिज फैमिली इज रिच, माई फैमिली इज नॉट. Okay, students? So do this exercise. The first one is he is not very tall. I am. I am का क्या आएगा? I am taller than him. मैं उससे लंबा हूं. I am taller than him. Very easy example for that. Next one is he is good at maths. I am not. तो क्या आएगा इसका? He is better at maths than me. क्या आएगा? He is better at maths. He is better at maths than me. Next one is I'm quite thin, he is not. What you can be going to write it down. I am thinner than him. Clear, students? And last one is my family is rich. His family is rich, my family is not. So what you can be going to write it down in this one. His family is richer than mine. Clear? So write it down all this. Hurry up. And after that we are going to start with the comparison of adjective with superlative adjective. Write it down. Done, students? Okay. Now we are going to start with this third one, that is superlative degree of adjective. That is also quite important in your speaking portion as well. अभी मैंने जो आपको करवाई है थिंग्स करवाई हैं, एक तो मैंने पोजेशन को लेके करवाई है, हम कैसे बोल सकते हैं कंपैरिजन में एडजेक्टिव को, क्लियर? और मैंने स्पीकिंग आपको करवाई है, स्पीकिंग पोर्शन में ये करवाया कि हम कंपैरिजन एडजेक्टिव को अपने आप से किसी अगर पर्सन को कंपेयर करना है तो हाउ वी कैन यूज दैट इन आवर स्पीकिंग एज वेल, क्लियर? So it's also come in your speaking portion, so quite important one. The third one is your superlative adjectives. So this is the third degree of adjective. 3 degrees आती है adjective में. First one is positive, second one is comparative, and third one is superlative. First 2 we already did that. Now it's time for the superlative degree. It denotes the highest degree of quality. It denotes the higher degree of quality. Okay? The thing is that it is used when one thing is compared with the many. It is used when one thing is compared with many. Many things of the same class. अब देखिए सुपरलेटिव एडजेक्टिव हम कहां पे यूज करेंगे? इट इज द हाईएस्ट डिग्री ऑफ द क्वालिटी, सबसे बड़ी डिग्री होती है क्वालिटी की, क्लियर? और इट इज यूज व्हेन वन थिंग इज कंपेयर्ड विद मेनी थिंग्स ऑफ द सेम क्लास. जब एक चीज कंपेयर की जाती है काफी सारी चीजों के, और वो काफी सारी जो चीजें होती है कि किसी क्लास को डिनोट कर रही होती है, दैट टाइम यू कैन यूज द सुपरलेटिव एडजेक्टिव इन दैट, क्लियर? Some examples for superlative adjective are this is the oldest building in the city. ये एक बहुत ही पुरानी बिल्डिंग है इस सिटी की. तो ओल्डेस्ट क्या हो गया? Means it is giving the higher degree of quality in that. That is why we are putting here oldest. We won't be put older in that. Why? Because we are not doing any sort of comparison here. हम इसलिए नहीं लगा रहे हैं because हम इसमें कोई comparison यूज नहीं कर रहे, हम इसमें highest degree बता रहे हैं. Means इस सिटी में जितनी भी और बिल्डिंग्स हैं, एक ही क्लास को डिनोट कर रही हैं बिल्डिंग्स, क्लियर? उनमें से ये वाली सबसे पुरानी है. So I am giving the higher quality degree of quality in that, clear? So that comes in your superlative adjective. Oldest. Clear, students? The next example is that that's the worst meal I have ever had. That's the worst meal I have ever had. ये एक सबसे बुरा खाना है जो मैंने आज तक खाया है. Clear? That's the worst meal I have ever had. ये एक सबसे बुरा खाना है जो मैंने आज तक खाया है. Okay, students, write it down. Hurry up in your copies. Be fast. You're going to do the exercise as well after the superlative adjective so that you can be clear about the comparative as well as the superlative adjective. So what is the difference between both of them? The difference is only that comparative is in comparative adjective we are doing the comparison with the persons and things. Clear? But in the superlative adjective, it is that adjective in which we are giving the high degree of quality. Clear? So that is the main the difference between the superlative and the comparison one. And the positive degree, I told you earlier regarding that, positive degree is the simple degree that we are using in the adjective case with the noun or pronoun. For example, he is a good boy. A good is what? It's a positive degree. अब मैं बोलूं कि he is better than me. वो मेरे से ज्यादा अच्छा है. I'm using here comparative example. Here comparative adjective. बोलूंगी he is the best student in the class. ये क्लास का सबसे बेस्ट स्टूडेंट है. तो here I am using the high degree of quality. For example, I am using the superlative adjective here. So these are quite very, very important in your speaking. Please students, be aware of these things. Okay, write it down this in your copies. These are very useful in your speaking as well. Do hurry up. Next is that we use superlative adjectives in this way. For example, जैसे हमने अभी किया था पीछे, क्या किया था हमने अभी? Comparative adjective किए थे ना, we use superlative adjective in this way. The first one is that, first one हमने क्या किया था, कॉपीज देखिए अपनी, हरी आप, क्या किया था first one? Short adjective किया था with one syllable. If any short adjective comes with one syllable, at that time you have to add est at the end. Clear? The words are high, again high and small. Now, आप मुझे बताइएगा अब इसका superlative adjective क्या होगा? उसका क्या था? Comparative adjective को what we did that? Higher and smaller. Clear? तो इसका क्या होगा? est लगना है, तो we can put highest and we also put smallest here. Clear students? Next one comes with this short adjective with one vowel or one consonant is there at the end except W. You can double that consonant and add est as well again. Clear? When short adjective ending with one vowel and one consonant, at that time you have to double the consonant and add est to them. Clear? But again the rule is except W. W को छोड़ के कोई भी वर्ड आता है जो कि एंड हो रहा हो आपके किसी भी वॉल्स के साथ और किसी भी कंसोनेंट के साथ, at that time what you going to do at the end of that, firstly double the consonant and after that add est with that consonant. Clear? Is it clear to all of you or not? Now come to the words are big, and hot. Again the same words I am using, big, hot, and एक और किया था with W, that is low, isn't it? अब मुझे आप बताइए, बिग का हमने कंपैरेटिव एडजेक्टिव कौन सा किया था? बिग का हमने कंपैरेटिव एडजेक्टिव किया था बिगर. क्लियर? अब अकॉर्डिंग टू द सुपरलेटिव एडजेक्टिव, व्हाट कम्स इन दैट? बिगेस्ट. राइट, biggest come in that. Write it down in your copies. That is biggest. Next is hot. So what is the comparative adjective of hot in that? That is hotter. Clear? And the superlative adjective according to the rule, firstly double the consonant. The consonant is T. So I am doubling it, and after that I put at the end EST. So the word is hottest. Clear? So superlative adjective I used here. Clear, students? And the last one is, see here, look on the board please. The last one is low. अब मुझे low का बताएंगे आप. Low मैंने बताया था except W. You won't be double the consonant at that time. You just want to be at the EST at the end. Clear? So with the low, I am putting here only EST. That is the lowest. Clear, students? Write it down in your copies. Next is short adjectives ending with E. Next rule is that short adjective कोई भी short adjective अगर E से end हो रहा है, at that time you have to only put ST, not EST. For example, the word is nice, and the second word for that is latest. Sorry, late. Clear? So according to the rule, you have to put ST, nicest, and latest. With that you have to put the article the nicest, the latest. Clear? Because with all the adjectives, जितने भी हम superlative adjective करेंगे, उनके साथ हम article लगाएंगे the hottest, the biggest, the lowest. Clear? The nicest, the latest. The is mandatory in that. तो हमने पहले किया था the highest, the smallest, the, you have to put with them. Clear? It's mandatory to put article the with all the superlative adjectives. Clear, students? Write it down. Next one is that the short adjectives ending with Y. Short adjective ending with Y, change it with IST. Clear? हम उसे change कर देंगे EIST. Clear? Sorry, I'm gone wrong. IEST. For example, the word is easy, so you have to put here, remove Y and write it down the word easiest. This is clear to all of you? Good. Next one is some long adjectives with 2 or more syllables. Some long adjectives for example, हमने अभी पहले किए थे useful or interesting. So we are going to take again the same example. Useful means the most useful, and interesting is The most interesting. None, students? So write it down this in your copies. और जो irregular कुछ adjectives होते हैं, bad का worst, good का best. Write it down, hurry up. Okay, students. Now the next rule of superlative is that the simple that Harry is the tallest person in a team. I'm going to give you the example. Harry is the tallest person in the team. मतलब team is what? Team is a belong to one class. Sorry. From that class, Harry is the tallest person. So tallest is what? Tallest is the superlative adjective and we are putting the with them. Clear? So this is called superlative adjective here. Clear, students? Now come to some more superlative adjectives. Again I am going to be started out some superlative adjectives, that is black, bold, clever, cold, deep, hard, able, brave. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Brave. Ninth one is sad, red, hot, big, busy, dry, happy. So with the Y, you have to remove the Y and put IEST, that is busiest, driest, happiest. Clear? So what you can going to do with the sad? Sad का क्या हो जाएगा? Consonant double हो जाएगा. Then you have to put at the end EST. Red, double the consonant, at the end put EST. Again double the consonant, put EST. Again double the consonant, biggest, put EST. Clear? With the black, what you can going to do with the black? That is blackest. EST. Bold, boldest. Clever, cleverest. Cold, coldest. Deep, deepest. Hard, hardest. Able, that is ablest. And last one is your brave, that is bravest. So write it down, be fast in your copies. Hurry up, students. You're very good students. And very quick learners as well, है ना? बहुत अच्छे लर्न कर लेते हो जल्दी से हर चीजों को. Do hurry up, do fast. Now I am going to give you one exercise regarding that. Note it down, hurry up, be fast. The exercise you have to fill it out according to the superlative adjective. Okay? I'm not rubbing out this. आप note कर लीजिए तब तक. I'm writing down. What's that place you have ever been to? What's dash place you have ever been to? Next one is, tell me about dash trip you have ever made. Tell me about dash trip you have ever made. अब इधर देखिए, you have to fill with good, excite, exciting. Next one is, what do you think is dash place you have visited? What do you think is dash place you have visited? That is beautiful. Which hotel is dash one you have ever stayed in? Which hotel is dash one you have ever stayed in? Clear? The thing is, the verb here is that adjective, that is nice. So now do this exercise. Hurry up, be fast. Be fast, students. Do this exercise. चलिए बताइए पहले मुझे क्या आएगा? गुड का क्या आएगा? गुड इज व्हाट्स डैश प्लेस यू हैव एवर बीन टू? कौन सी ऐसी जगह है जहां पे तुम हमेशा जाते हो? मीन्स इंटरव्यू विथ ट्रेवल राइटर. किसी ट्रेवल राइटर का इंटरव्यू लिया जा रहा है, उसमें उससे ये क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा रहे हैं. क्लियर? अब लोग आप बताइए मुझे, गुड का क्या मैंने बताया था? सुपरलेटिव एडजेक्टिव, दैट इज दी बेस्ट. टेल मी अबाउट डैश ट्रिप. मुझे ऐसा कोई ट्रिप बताइए यू हैव एवर मेड, तुमने कुछ बनाया हो. कैसा बनाया हो? क्या आएगा? द मोस्ट एक्साइटिंग ट्रिप यू हैव एवर. कुछ ऐसा बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग ट्रिप मुझे बताओ जो तुमने बनाया हो. क्लियर? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? क्या तुम सोचते हो इस डैश प्लेस यू हैव एवर विजिटेड इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल प्लेस? क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? कि तुम आज तक गए हो, कौन सी ऐसी बहुत सुंदर जगह है जहां तुम आज तक गए हो? विच होटल इज डैश वन यू हैव एवर स्टेड इन? विच होटल इज द nicest one you have ever stayed in? So that is end of your lecture today. Clear students? Today what we did in this lecture the degree of the degree of the adjectives. Clear? In that degree of adjectives we did 3 degrees: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Clear? Positive I told you, comparative I told you and superlative I told you with the examples, with full-fledged examples. Now if there any problem to you, then please do contact with me. Okay students, till then goodbye and we'll meet again with a new lesson. Okay, bye bye. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Thank you.